Wise Tag Send Money 2026, the fast way to pay friend with zero confusion. So hey guys, in today's video, so Wise Tag Send Money 2026, how to send money using Wise Tag. So all you need to do right here is find your friend's Wise Tag. Ask your friend for the Wise Tag. So you can see the Wise Tag just going to like a Wise right here. Then click on the top left corner. After clicking on top left corner, you will see your profile right there. Then just click it. Easy as that. Then you will see the tag. Yeah, easy to find. We're showing you where that is. I'm gonna click on top left. Then click on your profile. So I'll be blurring all of this. So listen close. Top left. Then click on the flag thing right there on the middle. Then here you will see over here you will see this Wise Tag right there. Just click on Wise Tag. There you go. Once you press on that, it will show Wise Tag. It's just that. Yeah, there you go, guys. Then enter the amount to the send. Then of course review your send. Then tap and tap confirm the send. So yeah, or you can do the QR code method. Quick tip for you guys. This is probably the easiest part of the of the video. If you just use the QR, find your friend's Wise Tag, just QR right there, then let them scan it. After you scan it, put in the amount, and then easy as that. So yeah, there's a quick tip for you guys. There's no zero fees. Everything has a fees when you're transferring money. But the good thing is they use the exchange. They call this mid-market exchange rate, which means what amount you will see on Google, that's the amount you will be getting if you're going to transfer it on different currencies. But there you go, guys. I hope you guys did. If you enjoyed, if you have a question, concerns, have a question, guys, have it as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.